Kevin here from Capital Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up custom shipping rates for specific products on your site. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to come down here to Settings, and then you want to go over to Shipping and Delivery, and then you want to come down here to Custom Shipping Rates. So as you can see, it says create a shipping profile to add custom rates or destination restrictions for groups of products. So if like certain products are only, if you want to ship certain products only to specific states, then you'd set that up here. Or if you want to set specific rates for like a collection or specific products, that's what you do in this section. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you want to click Create New Profile. And then you want to give the profile a name. Now this is for internal use only, so none of your customers will see this, so you can name it however you'd like. For this, I'm just going to say Test Shipping Profile. And then here's where you add in the products. So all of your products are going to be in the general shipping rates right now, or the general shipping section. And so what you're doing when you add them here is you're pulling them over from the general shipping profile over to this custom profile. So you want to add products. And then here is where you can go through and select which products you want added to this specific profile. So I'm just going to go through and I'm just going to do tie, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to select some of the ties to create for this custom profile. So I'm just going to go through and I'm going to check all of these. And as you can see, as I check them, it's pulling them away from general shipping and it's pulling them into this custom profile. So just be aware of that. When you select the profile and you bring it over here, it'll no longer be in your general settings. It'll be now in this new shipping profile. And then here is where you actually create the shipping zone. So it's very similar to setting up your shipping zone for your general profile. It's just the same steps. You select, first of all, you name the zone. So in this case, I'm just going to do United States. And then obviously I'm going to search for United States. And if you want to, you can also select which states to ship to. So for instance, if you want to set up custom rates for Alaska and Hawaii because it might cost a little bit more to ship there, you would then want to select it or set up that zone, and then you can go through and you can select just Alaska and just Hawaii. But like I said, I'm just going to do the whole United States for this example. I'm going to click Done, and then here's where you create the custom rate. So this is where this does come in handy. Now originally Shopify, it used to be where you would set up general rates for all of your products, and you'd have to use a third-party app to set up custom rates, but they've added this new feature in, which is great, where you can actually go through and create your own custom rates for specific products. So for this example, all of my ties, I'm going to set new custom rates to it. And for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to expand the conditions, and the rate name I'm just going to say is standard shipping, 2 to 4 weeks. The price is $5. Maybe on all my other products, I offer it for $10, but for the ties, it's a little bit cheaper to ship. And this, that doesn't matter for me. The rate name is just that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click Save. So I've got those rates all set up. Now I can go over and I can create another profile. So for this profile, I'm just going to do fragile products. And I'm going to just ship in California. So that's where my business is located. I only want to do shipping within California. Maybe some of your products are perishable items, so shipping them any farther than a certain area could be impossible for you. So this is for my fragile products. Now, for this example, I don't actually have any fragile products on my website, but this is just the example that I'm giving you. So maybe for some of it, I'm just going to go and I'm going to select maybe some jewelry and other accessories, maybe some watches. And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to select some of the watches. I'm going to hit Done. And then here's where I create the shipping zone. Again, I'm just shipping to California, so I'm going to create that shipping zone. The name is just going to be California. just going to search it here, and I'm going to select just the California one, and you'll see here 1 out of 62 states is selected. I'm going to hit done. Then you obviously want to set up your rates. For this example, I'm going to use the carrier rates that come with Shopify. I'm going to do it through United States Postal Service. I'm just going to do priority mail, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit done, and then save. So now when a customer goes and selects certain products, so for example, like the fragile products, then when they go to check out, if they're outside of California, they won't be able to check out. But if for this test shipping profile, if they go and they select a tie at checkout, they'll notice that it's going to be a little bit cheaper for these products compared to some of the other products that are in the general shipping rates. So this is a fairly new feature through Shopify, but it's something that a lot of people don't know about, because if they've been using Shopify for a while, they know that it used to be kind of difficult to set up these rates. Shopify has made it a little bit easier. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below in the comment section. Also, make sure to subscribe, as we do come out with these e-commerce videos quite often. We are also coming out with other digital marketing tutorial videos, and we're coming out with tutorial videos for WordPress. So make sure to subscribe so that you stay up to date on all of those. Thank you for watching.